This song is called Little Bird, and it is about a bird that I tried to sneak up on to see if I could pet it, but as soon as I did, it just flew away, and it goes like this. Once I saw a little bird go hop, 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 and I said, little birdie, won't you stop, stop, stop. I was going to the window to say, how do you do, when he shook his tail feathers and away he flew. Shake it to the east, shake it to the west, shake it all over till you find another nest. Sometimes in our classroom, we have nests that are hula hoops, and we play different instruments. So if you have a drum at your house, or a tambourine, or any rhythm sticks, or you could even make your own instrument out of a cup with dry beans or rice in it, and you could sing the song. Another thing we also do is sometimes we make different types of birdies, and we sing the song in different ways. So sometimes we have robot birdies that go like this. Once I saw a little bird go hop, 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 and I said, little birdie, won't you stop, stop, stop. I was going to the window to say, how do you do, when he shook his tail feathers and away he flew. Or we might do spooky, spooky, spooky birdies. Listen to this. Once I saw a little bird go hop, 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 and I said, little birdie, won't you stop, stop, stop. I was going to the window to say, how do you do, when he shook his tail feathers and away he flew. Spooky. Sometimes we also do piano birdies, which means really quiet birdies. Once I saw a little bird go hop, 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 and I said, little birdie, won't you stop, stop, stop. I was going to the window to say, how do you do, when he shook his tail feathers and away he flew. Or forte birdies, which means strong, loud voices that aren't shouting voices, like this. Once I saw a little bird go hop, 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 and I said, little birdie, won't you stop, stop, stop. I was going to the window to say, how do you do, when he shook his tail feathers and away he flew. Shake it to the east, shake it to the west, shake it all over till you find another nest.